Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally session and never end. Hey, you guys trust progress the analysis that I give you all the update back to back. See, there is a reason you need to subscribe to this channel, and there is a reason also for you to share the video. Oh, because argument deo, talk deo, session deo about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the person of SÍMON Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister. Somebody can ask a good question, say why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said they should listen to SÍMON Ekpa. That is the only SÍMON Ekpa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said we should listen to. That he gave that commission to a lot of people. Why I call person as SÍMON Ekpa own I call they strong. But watch this video to the end because solid answer dey for this particular question. Wetin we know be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say we listen to SÍMON Ekpa, and people dey listen to SÍMON Ekpa and not say anything when you wrong with it, because if you listen to the speech from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yesterday, you go know say that man no retreat, no surrender. He laugh also na something where be say e go make you see the strength in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So make I not take on her back, but the question be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say me dey listen to SÍMON Ekpa. The question na be say na only SÍMON Ekpa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say me dey listen to. Why it could be say only SÍMON Ekpa and that could be different when Poko Kana for head like Gala Abba, our beloved brother Freeman. They here to answer that question for us. I beg, watch the video to this end, and I'll be right back.
Those states, SÍMON Ekpa create, okay, those states, so I don't know, almost 50 something states again. Today, I think I was all states. They carve people from Abia State and Anambra State and Imo State and call them all. I think, how far about the state of creating? Is it functioning? Who is their governor? Or who is representing all the states? All the provinces of create? How far? He get to referendum in Finland. Create a country in Africa. So are you telling me that Catalonia to referendum in Germany or in UK, we're not creating Catalonia in Spain? Okay? Take your emotion out, okay? Face the reality. Face the reality. Face the reality. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say that I am coming back and I'm coming with help. Somebody already and actually take it glory. Monkey they walk, bamboo they shop. I only need they go. But we don't care. Because all those things only know that is coming to pass. No, yeah. But he says those of us we should remain focused. If not the activities of Chika Paul Edozie, China Sawan Kita, Tony one bottle is Rumike, or Sinabine. I win someone like SÍMON Ekpa. It's because of their activities that create SÍMON Ekpa. It's because of they did not obey Onyendu instruction. It's created SÍMON Ekpa. That is the fact. Then now, sometimes you will meet some people from Biafra government in Israel. They will tell you they like to put a story like a story of Moses and Joshua. Then I ask them, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is Moses, SÍMON Ekpa is Joshua, who is Ojukwu? Who is Ojukwu? Who is Ojukwu? If you want to use that story, that now I am asking them to come up now. Also, because you cannot withstand the truth. You can't withstand the truth. You can't withstand the truth. You can't withstand the truth. So don't ever, whatever the group you want to belong, you have the right, belong to the group, defend them, but don't cross carpet or try to compare Moses and Joshua. No, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will compare in the whole world itself. SÍMON about that he have disbanded DOS. He have disbanded ESN. What are you talking? In disbanded ESN. At the end of the day, no, they change the Biafra flag. This is Mazi Nnamdi. I can see nobody's coming up because this is Mazi Nnamdi. Come on, put your challenge. Then come and put your face. Can I give you the because before now, a lot of people are telling me, Mazi, why not to stay? We talk about it. Are you afraid? Afraid of who? I can't. nna mụta matụrụ m ego mmadụ dị ndụ onye na-eche ilu anya dịka ilu a na-atụ egwu ọ bụrụ na ya chọrọ ikwu okwu ya ma nkwu taịm ruo ikwuo ya. So now it's open. Come up and talk and come and defend whatever you want to defend. Ka nna gị n'iyi wute eziokwu Chineke ka ntị ego timgbodomgbo. Tag whoever you want to attack. Tell them let him come and say na Maazị Ezumezu nọ na-ekwu okwu. Let them come up, bring that your question. Let's see. You know, I see the way forward. If you want the way forward, listen to Gini, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you want the way forward, listen to Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And if you want to listen to Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, how? Listen from MNK legal team. Listen from him. Listen from Prince Meme, the messenger from our leader. Listen to Counter Kanu, the messenger from our leader. That is the way forward. Because me and you, we cannot do it. You cannot, me and you, me and you, we cannot do it. We cannot do what MNK is doing. We cannot do it. So listen to the message from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That is the way forward. Or you step aside and join whoever you want to join. Don't bring these two people together. Only one certain time and come about Sonia or Abalawa. I have the video. No, it's verified. No, saying that even Maazị Nnamdi Kanu fans popular is getting popular more than Maazị. That SÍMON is getting more popular than Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. He's getting more fans. Look at more. I was in Ghana about see that now all Europe, no one ever do pull cloud more than SÍMON and even in Finland, except Biafra land. I will present one video of town hall meeting. Only in America. Now Texas alone, only one town hall meeting. Go and see the population. You are comparing Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and somebody else. Because I know a lot of you guys are with emotion because what Nigeria state have done to us. Everybody is too emotional, so that when we hear I will attack Nigeria government, I will do this, I will do that. Yeah, yes. But it's okay. The only thing is that he have established his movement and he have taken responsibility of his movement. That is fine and that is good. That's the only thing. But don't compare Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu any comparison at all. Nobody can compare with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu at all. Nobody. In the history of Biafra, even our evil people's general have not done in terms of to unite Biafra. Remember, people's general with somebody will respect, even to the death. Everything. But Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, you would ever far with that now. After the Biafra war, a lot of people scattered. A lot of people scattered. Some people deny their origin, deny their Igbos, deny their Biafrans. But only the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bring everybody together. Everybody together. With everybody together. It's all Chika Pole those years of the saw you only do people. But it's on American, it's failing now. Maazị FREEMAN, please tell us the way forward. The way forward, listen if you are IPOB member, even IPOB family member, listening to instruction of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That's the way forward. If we are not, listen to whoever is your leader. In Oluna Masop, listen to Wazlike. In Oluna Biafra government in Israel, listen to him. But at the end of the day, I am At the end of the day, I'm So that's the way forward. Don't come here and ask me what's the way forward. The way forward, whatever you belong, if you belong to SÍMON, listen to him. If you belong to IPOB, listen to our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, Supreme Leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you belong to Masop, listen to Wazlike. If you belong to any other one, listen to their leader. That's all. But remember, ask us to follow SÍMON and share his program. This is something people know or local primary school. Look at people, somebody there now. But remember, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ask us to follow SÍMON and share his video. Very important. Yes. Only no clear now. Must no clear. Is the fact clear? But also secondly, go and listen, go and follow. I'm not so now. How about NK Yoruba? What is this guy? NK Yoruba, what is this guy? The only guy that still the main consistency. NK Yoruba, I'm forgetting this guy's name. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu say, go and listen to him too. And other people now that felt by the load. Only to go and listen to them too. So now only to go and listen to somebody that is bringing a new dimension. It doesn't make any difference what we're saying today. If Masnan can praise it today and tomorrow you change, so you expect people, of course, not to talk about it because only to say we should listen to you. That's not right. So if we want to say, go and listen to that person, fine and good, listen to that person. But when that person deviates from what Onyendu is telling you to do, or what Onyendu expecting to do, you are expecting me, a person like me, not to talk about it. Do you know how many people Onyendu say you should go and listen to? Is it only SÍMON? FREEMAN. Be man enough. Or if you want to come in, I send you the link, come in. Be man enough. Is it only SÍMON going to go and listen to? It's not only SÍMON. A lot of them. Both my faith Ogala. Where's faith Ogala today? A lot of them. He did not ask us to follow Mayebu, but he said that he's doing a good job. Come. The link is there. I've sent the link before. Let me send you the link again. Look at the link again, okay? In YouTube. Okay, look at the link again. Come in, come and tell me. Onyendu mentioned a lot of people's names. Is it only SÍMON? That's all. So, FREEMAN, the link is there. Come in and come and defend.
Yeah,
FREEMAN.
Sir.
Yeah, please introduce yourself to Biafrans and bring your question, okay?
Yeah. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, Biafrans, wherever you're listening from. Yeah, we are in the program of Mazi Ezumezu Nwekwensu, live and direct. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Mazi, you're welcome. You know, whatever we are saying here today is not out of personal something or personal hate. It's to educate our people and it's left our people to know the truth or not. You know. And again, we don't need to insult. You know, to make our point. We say things. We say things when you are saying things. I will allow you to say things to free yourself. When I want to say, you allow me to say something, okay? So people will follow us well. Okay, Mazi, you're welcome, FREEMAN. Yeah, let me mark your name. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So Mazi, you go on. One question you go on.
Thank you very much, my brother. You know, we all are Biafrans, you know, and we believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Ahmadike 1. Nobody else. But Ilanya Igamana, like Mazi no behind the bar. And when you're behind the bar, you can't do anything. And now, come we go to this estimate, 9 azwana, and Ogwa won't do I. Then, Ndiro wage degi. You know, keji abo keche aka keche gono burugi po. And that ally nazo, that our compound, the very, very important for us. And the name was Alomo. Imona umu, yotago imona woke mo henile. Then if you na duto na Ndiro age de gogi kechegi. Then I got happy to see her hand meneche until the ball puta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I answer?
Yes.
Okay. Let me repeat your question again. You said that in a family,
yes,
a father, then
yes,
a father, then Umuya will not keep quiet to allow the enemy to do whatever to their father, right?
No, ask him. Let me repeat again. He got my question. In a family, and the father Musalomu, then ndị mmadụ ndị ọzọ bịa na-azọ that their family, na-azọ that their house. Along line, ejide the father, kenya agbụ, kechie ya anya, you know, kenya okwu, then buru ya pụọ. Ọwụ ụmụ ya agaghị azọwa that ụlọ ha nke ụmụ ya ọ ga-agbachasị si oke na-ejidego mpa anyị ka onye ọ na-agba ọsọ until mgbe ọbụla mpa anyị jiri pụta ka mpa anyị bịa bidokwe n'isi zọwa ụlọ ya.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now I do understand what your question. Now, but first of all, it's a different thing in what you're trying to connect with. But let me answer it. Let me answer the question.
Just answer me.
Umuya fight with their blood to defend that property of their father. And again, Umuya again, if they are getting message with their father, they will also be fighting an instruction of their father given to them. Am I what you now?
Yes.
Two different answer can you go? Two different answer. How did the man take care of everything? Another I'm not about the man. Nothing. Another I'm not about the man at all. We will fight with their last drop of their blood to defend that property.
Thank you very much.
To defend that property. Number one. Number two. Open that man anya. No, instruction. We will also fight through the instruction the man never. This is the two questions, the two answers.
Okay, look, fine. In my head, then before he did the man being the father of the house, Osina and don't manage there. The father mana ijo na ga very rugged ije ihe anyị na-azọ and don't manage there. Then osi enwere ofu nwa ya otros more than ụmụ ya niile. And the man more like almost 15. Man enwere ofu nwa ya otros more than anybody. Okwo ndị ọzọ sị ha lee na onye a so nwe na onye a ihe ọ bụla onye a kwuru mee na ihe onye a kwuru okwu gbasasịa n'ozi ya maka na enwere onye ama enwere ebe ọ na-aga ebe ahụ ya nwa na-aga wee ebe onye a na-aga mana enwerubeghị. And again ọ sị gị lee onye nke ọzọ na ha na-emekwa wo jisi na ike na ihe na-eme mana onye a brother, let me tell you one thing. Mayegu general onye ndu commentary mayegu onye ndu commentary ya ka m na-agwa gị ihe a mmechasị bata onye ndu commentary mayegu general na ọ na-arụ ezigbo ọrụ enweghị mgbe onye ndu sai so nwe mayegu share his video onye ndu kpọrọ nwa Biafran child na Biafran child na-arụ ezigbo ọrụ onye ndu commentary efe na-arụkwa ezigbo ọrụ na ha jisi ike ihe onye ndu gwara ha wụ na ha jisi ike with the next person onye ndu kpọrọ Faith Ogala ọ kpọrọ mayegu ọ kpọrọ Faith Ogala ọ kpọrọ Biafran child ọ sị ha na-efe ihe ọ sị ha wụ ụmụ m jisi n'ike na ihe na-eme mana onye ndu pointer SÍMON Ekpa ọ pointer sị lee na onye a sowe na onye a share video ya because na onye a na-ebu ya ihe anyị na-eme onye a na-eweta ya to another dimension and ebe ahụ na-aga exactly that thing. And my brother ile anya ị ga-ama na ihe niile SÍMON Ekpa na-eme wụ exactly ihe onye ndu mana ọ ga-aba na nsogbu because mgbe o si anyị mee fasting that I grew from Psalm 1 to 100 and ebe ọ gụrụ all after that psalm a gụchara ka onye ndu nwere nsogbu a and ọ mana ọ ga-enwe nsogbu a and enweghị onye ọnwụ na onye ndu sa anyị soro ma ọ wule anya na ahụhụkwa SÍMON. That is the reason why. And o nwere ofu okwu ọ sị look na ndị Biafra adọrọ stupid na ị na-eme ihe ị nwere ike na-emechi na ị ga-eme no mana Biafra nọrọ na-ege ntị na-ahụ na ihe na-eme ezigbo ihe ha ga na-eso gị kịta ka Faith Ogala kịta ka efe kịta ka Biafran child ka m hapụgodu mayegu general nọ na-eme nke ya mana ihe ọ na-eme nọkata ọbata n'ime SÍMON Ekpa and mara na mgbe o kwuru okwu maka onye ndu unu mere ya attack mgbe ahụ nọ na DOS unu mere attack na why ọ ga-eji ekwuwe about onye ndu na ekwula onye ndu ọ sịkwa unu na-enweghị onye nwere right ịgwụ ya ihe ọ ga-eme na ya ga na-ekwu maka onye ndu amamichetere mana ya nwe na onwe ya sef anara dị ekwu maka onye ndu ihe ọ na-ekwu maka ọ na-eme analysis nke ya mana onye ndu wepụtara SÍMON Ekpa onye ndu wepụtara SÍMON Ekpa nye onye ọbụla ọ sị onye ndu si and ihe ahụ is just like warning ọ sị you must listen to onye ndu mere MUST you must listen to him and share his video very very important. ị nwere ike iwepụta ihe ahụ kwuarigoro ihe anyị nwere ike play that video ka ọ m chọta ya ka anyị play ya n'abalị a ka anyị maragoro ka onye ndu si wee kọwara anyị SÍMON Ekpa. Onye ndu kọwara SÍMON Ekpa to the extent onwero ntụbọ and the first mgbe onye ndu bara n'aka ndị DSS the first message onye ndu wepụtara ndị DOS unu deny ya ọ sị give SÍMON a slot ka ọ bịa na Radio Biafra mere ihe ahụ ọ na-eme because onye onye ndị mmadụ na-ege ntị mana the head of DOS ha gbanyere ya nobody listen to that nobody listen even to the obima onye mere wepụta eziokwu ahụ nwanne Kanu onye ndu si allow SÍMON Ekpa to give him a slot unu agbanye ya and again they ask him to surrender his platform wee ka ọrụ na ka okwu na Radio Biafra but being an intelligent officer the guy he did not, of which na osi okay ngwa kam sorry ndam this platform here batazie na ekwu na radio Biafra ihe a na-eme a lot of people a na-kick a lot of people out ka ga na-kick ya if not tell na kick ya out and whereby you kick ya out kick everybody out I even I'm not even ga na akpo ya mana excuse me chelo okay man because just one nkwonka then I will let you to talk more again before we come in. Since 3 years ekperima onya enwebegi evidence enwebegi ofunkpuru evidence ewepụtara dosa na table so lekwe ihe this guy mere no single one onwebegi ọbụrụ na achọ n'igbo nwaanyị eziokwu onwebegi ofunkpuru ihe a ga-asị na lekwe ebe this guy dị wrong ọnwụ na onwe n'ebe ọ dị wrong ikwu the other day isi na the only place ihu ọ dị wrong wụ na ọ sị na ya disband go DOS and na-eyuzu Mazi Nnamdi Kalu aha ya nobody even go one now giving go one and he na-use aha Mazi onye ọnwụ na-use aha Mazi bidoro na-use aha Ojukwu in this struggle hapụ go do Wazirike and others you got to go onye ọnwụ na-use aha Mazi Nnamdi Kalu because he is on the front and that's why SΥMON Ekpa jikwe na-use and the one o nwere one thing m chọrọ ikwu now then he continue o nwere interview agara onye ndu is there SΥMON Ekpa is there ajụrụ SΥMON Ekpa ajụjụ first ozagide zacha ajụọ Mazi nke ya Mazi si it's just like or see anyway no nwere ihe oge ekwu I nwere ike wepụta this thing now play ya or ka m wepụta ya ka I play ya n'abalị a Mazi Nnamdi Kalu after SΥMON Ekpa clear the air Mazi Nnamdi Kalu say my God that now he has nothing to say it's just like this guy went right inside his mind and stole and still wezuru ihe niile no ya n'obi na exactly ihe no ya n'obi we hear SΥMON Ekpa in short SΥMON that you have finished everything onye ndu pịacha akwụkwọ dosa biro onwuni cheta he never say anything this is the reason why unbelief kwara this is the reason why a lot of people mona na look white thank you
I am somebody but up God got network kick it out Mazi Nwendidi ifuna okuga akita anwa itonol ya eba ma aka na market bakwala go from ajuju you evaluate more but again because some ajuju before first of all let me clarify something it's okay no with DOS today I am still with DOS
okay
when it's not I want you to get that fact I am still with DOS so what going with DOS because DOS will start only to put you I am castigating the activities of Chika Paul Doziem the
head of DOS.
Yes, I am.
The head of DOS.
I am cascading them individually, not DOS as a body. I've told you this before. DOS comprises of many people, many departments, both Madam Nyanya and terminated after left. So that's what I started. Now you see that now. Oh no, a man for Ofunwea now. One came 15. See, we should listen to him. MNK. Now, let me also ask you again. Also, SΥMON going to see you should go and follow. Also, SΥMON, yes or no? Even the yes or no?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on, because I'm not going to bring the video now. I will bring the video. Do this thing now. Okay, now I want to them play the video. And we see yes.
Yes.
SΥMON, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then now,
I recommend they are doing a good job. I listened to it. Just I told you, because or recommend that they are doing a good job. Mana on your side will follow SΥMON and share his video. Very important. When you use this language now, SΥMON.
No, Maz, listen. What you said that not also SΥMON because we should go and follow.
And share his video. Very important. Yes.
And share his video accordingly. No,
very important.
That is bringing a new dimension in our struggle.
Exactly.
I want you to underline this your statement today because tomorrow or next, I will bring a video. Everyone here to see that we should follow these people. They are doing a great work. And I also bring a video where he mentioned their names. That one aside. Now, if we talk about a man, Molomu 15. Can you repeat that your question again? Because actually, can say what I go? No?
Yes.
Yeah.
As in all instances with question. In a family, Ejimi example like in a family what I go then na the man when like almost 15 and almost 15 now no mana osi ofonya you know okpo ha se ha de kwe no nya so we no nya na ihe no nya kwuru unu menya o because na na aga njem ona mo ga bata because onye ndu mana ihe a ga eme. That's why you just say I am coming.
Don't take my time. No. Now that man got that son outlaws up here. See, should follow him up here.
Yes.
Okay. That son, that man trust, according to you. We can see that no man from only came no instruction from that man anymore. From every man now. Every man now. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, with a reason. Yes, with a reason. You don't know the reason why. In which case, the reason why.
No. Why? Because if I'm saying that man, Genti, now that man for other children. Where's here? Then this Mr. B. Many was wherever that in them. So when anything attached, okay, with this thing. So I'm going to my answer. With this. No. So where to go now? Where's now? That man covered that in them. Where's the others should follow this particular person? That one we can you see that no man instruction for that man, see so that should obey him. You see, no. So
yes, with reason. Yes, with reason.
No, okay, now let me give you the benefit. Give me the list again because
thank you very much. Thank you very much. The reason because ndiro bịara bịa buru ya and ndiro ahụ pụtahasị anyị na mpa anyị ese na ya gazile na ya erizile nri na ya ṅụzile mmiri just like DOS bịara sị anyị onye ndose kwụsị sit at home na onye ndose kwụsị nke a SÍMON nwa ya ahụ nwa na mpa ya enweghị ike ikwu this thing because mpa ya trust and God trust mpa ya wee sị na ya enweghịkwa ike ịnụ enweghị ihe ọbụla unu ga-abịa asị m na mpa m si from there ya ga-ekwe because na ọ bụrụ onye mpa ya kwuru because na ihe ọbụla ya na-eme ya na-ewere ya from obi mpa ya ebe ahụ nọ. This is the only reason why o ji wee sị na ya enweghị ike iwe anything n'ọbụla onye ndu kwuru from inside dungeon because ọ nwere ndị ahụ ji ya na-abịa asị ya na mpụ unu sị nwanne no mpụ unu sị since onye ndu kwa nọrọ inside that place the only thing I know na from onye ndu I am here is because of you people I am here na si kwụsị ihe a na-eme and ọma ndị ọ na-agwa na ha kwụsị the next one uwe nke ọ pụtakwara the other day kwuo ihe ndị ọzọ a na-ekwu owu dense
Maazị listen ekwentị ekwela no you go now is go from a man in a man in the user and instances where back onye ndu
ya wụ mpa ya ahụ na-agwa gị no
here pụtakwara dia mma chọwa azụ eziokwu again you know
okay
no ekwentị ọkwa you know so now because of na it's not no ndị ilo ji let's throw that can I forget about this man because we will be about man can you face a reality because of this now onye ndu na can DSS so that means some people will not take instruction from onye ndu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So now all at the same onye ndu could open a court let's go again SÍMON do this all yes no because can DSS because all yes no no DSS is there to say this. That means Maazị Nnamdi Kanu who the leader got somewhere and that somewhere there is a 10 days not a instruction ebe ọ nọ ọ bụrụ that na mmadụ na-agadi ya mmadụ na-agadi ya ọ bụrụ na anya na-agadi anya na-agadi ọ na-agadi ya
ị nwere ike eweliwe biko ị nwere ike ịgwa m onye na-agada place
listen when I'm saying
gwagwodu m onye ahụ na-agada place
when they get you when I'm saying something don't interrupt me but when you interrupt no that's why when you're saying something I give you a chance to say something you know
okay
so onye ndu no somewhere and the message is coming out now. If we know about Radio Biafra to give him a slot, then you guys, someone that believe that no one with that message, that only said that we should give me a slot.
Kanunta said so.
I'm coming, listen, I'm coming. Someone that believe that message is from Onyendu, then when it come other way around, it's not from Onyendu.
Like then which one?
When it come that message, it add okay with someone else. If not obey it.
But like which one? Like gini ko onye ndu kwuola. Ngwa iwere ike igwa mo fu onye ndu kwuola.
Okay, listen.
Okay.
On 20 on the year 2022, December 15, there was a memo only into the release out that DOS should stay away from activities of SＩMON Ekpa. That memo, SIMON share here, will share everywhere because he's favor him, not favor here. Unlike that statement. So when only you wouldn't care like that. No.
Like which one?
No, listen. No.
SIMON.
Okay, Ganti. When I say this, I bring evidence.
Exactly.
Onyendu Galalo Edemako. Now SIMON Ekpa to go on this platform and announce that sit at home is cancelled. And SIMON Ekpa, this one kind of it was on background before he come on media. And SIMON Ekpa say, okay, no need evidence to that, no need to clear. At the end of the day, I put a little note from Mazin Nandikan to SIMON Ekpa. Did SIMON Ekpa obey it? Yes or no?
Okay, come back one thing.
No, yes or no?
He did not obey it because of what yes. One thing. If for that list, if for that note, if we thank you. Listen, the very first time opposite at home putara DOS Sina Onyen do say sit at home. That very first that night, SIMON Ekpa Kuria through SIMON Ekpa Kuria na Onyen do say sit at home. Biafrans on Monday, Biafrans ego hunting. Biafrans may sit at home Monday, observe. Eruna Bali that night, SIMON Ekpa puta, where's the qua? But na Onyen do say sit at home. And na Onyona Ujo Bidozeya, then Naya Neme Echenjukwala Mwahuka even and when Onyen do a Google about autopilot. SIMON use that language. Oh, every guy get put that talk of Onyen do. Naya Nema Bago autopilot. Even autopilot. Autopilot who in a plane autopilot. Pilot can sleep. I'm a man about flight. Or not one sit at home Monday. Jizaki and Nagaromuya. SIMON Ekpa say na Asikwa no Onyen do na he was supposed to DOS then. More na Iwo Onyen Zoku Gay am my brother. Ni Uchukuna ni Humado. Na Bali that night. SIMON Ekpa say na Onyen do Sikwa na DOS say na Kakusi sit at home. But Biafrans Jaga Hakike that sit at home on. Ebaka autopilot ajiruputaha fully. Again, that lady na say Ejima dere. Look, Onyendu cannot bring I got here with that. Oh, when the mepanya a sheet of paper. Already then here. A very long sheet of paper, mana. Dokaya is just very nobody here. Keep your now group Biafrans. And that day the man was shaking, reading that thing. I'm on him neku. We are
okay, again to one now because like I said before, we are not saying or maybe for me to convince you or for you to believe for what I'm saying, but in people are listening to you and people are listening to me. Now you have established that letter go from Onyen Dumas and Nandikano.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to talk about okay, but I am at least from our leader. Now let's go to the sit at home.
Okay.
Let's go to sit at home again. You know, we said that when DOS announced that sit at home is suspended, that SIMON Ekpa will pay it. Or people for the first day of here.
Yes.
Okay. Again, you know, I have said this in my program many times, and don't put yourself. You put earlier, you might convince SIMON Ekpa to change mind. And I have the video because I have spent a lot of time here. I'm not able to play the video. The first time.
Let me call you. One thing like each of you put on a program or every more than 5-6 evidence work right here. I mean, that the honor very far. You're
saying something I don't interrupt again. When DOS suspends sit at home after disobeying Nandikano on the second week of August, that's supposed to take they announce it. SÍMON EKPA came on air and said that DOS instruction must obey. He said it on the program that they must obey DOS instruction.
Yes.
After 2 days, a woman came called Ned Ofebu. I quote Ned Ofebu. He said, Mazin Nande Kanu cannot stop what is moving, what is good. That Mazin Nande Kanu that cannot stop what is good. That Biafra have obeyed sit at home. And Mazin Nande Kanu cannot stop sit at home. The first person that made this comment was Ned Ofebu on some other platform. Ganti. Then from there, Samantha pick it up, say yes. That is where Samantha change again.
No. One thing, Chelo. The day SÍMON putarakuo na DOS say no nyendo se sit at home was on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. On Monday I will sit at home. Everybody the whole Biafra land was locked down. Eruna Bali that Monday. On Sunday, SÍMON made this program. Now DOS say no nyendo se sit at home that we should obey DOS. On Monday, the next day, nobody came out. Eruna Balia, SÍMON put up for program, where on the program. Always see, but now only as one onion do sit at home. But the Biafra Jaka may sit at home, which means now you have to go now or autopilot. Not knowing onion do use go this autopilot. Oh, from that day, can autopilot to be doing once the DOS Bruzeya. My brother, listen. Now by on Sunday, SÍMON made an announcement. Now DOS si onye ndo si sit at home, that everybody should stop sit at home. On Monday, Biafra land was sealed. Eruna Bali SÍMON we puta we see, but na si na onye ndo si sit at home. But na Biafra si jaga ha maybe sit at home. Not the kwaka Biafrans or need drill or like this sit at home. Na ihe abakwala autopilot. This is what he said. But I am telling you before God and man.
You're not going to convince me. That I will also bring you point out. Now let's listen about the radio. What Chika said about it. Let's listen.
I will answer that question, because if I don't, it will be as if there is anything I'm hiding. Now listen. When William as well gave instruction that SÍMON EKPA should be given a slot, and I repeat the word, a slot on Radio Biafra to broadcast like Maazaleje is broadcasting it today, a slot like Jonathan will broadcast, a slot like Peters will do, a slot like our Malaysia coordinator, a slot like each one of them, a slot. And then we said, first of all, that instruction came from Oyindu to Barrister Ejiofor. So Ejiofor delivered that message properly, in the sense that he delivered to the leadership. But then he went ahead and also passed that message to Master SÍMON EKPA himself. Now, we have a head of department of media, like we have departments under the US, and they all have heads that are heading them. The information that was given, the message from Oyindu that was given to us by Barrister Ejiofor was given not to Mazi or former directly, because the time difference between Australia and where he is and here was different. So Paul was still sleeping. But that message was given to one of us in the DOS, and we were waiting for Mazi Chinas who received that message from Mazi from Barrister to wait for Barrister for a former to get up for him to give him that information, so that the former will follow it up as we follow our procedures. But before we know it, that information was already in the public through our brother Mazi SÍMON, who announced it already, and the confusion began. First of all, that was contrary to our procedures, but that was not the issue. We overlooked it. And then a meeting was called. Where the head of media was there, and some other two people were there, or three. And myself, as head of directorate, I came to witness how the discussion would go. And in that discussion, after they told SÍMON that yes, we need to give this instruction, but of course these things normally should have followed that procedure. But let's forget it now. If you are going to be part of this broadcasting, if you are going to be given a slot to broadcast, there are procedures. There are documents that you need to sign. Document of rules and regulations regarding the media department. The undertaking that every principal officer signs, both those in the media, and of course our code of conduct. that these documents will be not available to him, and for him to look through it and sign. SＩMON said, no, he would not sign.
Do you know the documents?
Listen, no. If you're trying to talk, you talk. Now, I play this thing from Chikapole Doziem. What transpired between that slot. The question now is that thing they asked him to sign, that they say is according to code of conduct or chain of command. Did Mazin Nanikano told them, okay, if we sign it or let him carry on? This is the question. This is another thing. But this is what happened. All that now, only Lucy, give him this slot. Forget about the code of conduct. No only clear. Okay, whatever SＩMON is talking, no man signed. Was there one video? Also, no one signed something. Okay, but I'm going to say, okay, if you want to broadcast on this radio, follow the chain of command, follow the procedure. Then take up doesn't want any blame to blame on it. But before we go, Mazi DK.
Just can you put excuse me. Let me dip in. Then I just need a chance. Go. Come ready to finish him.
I'm coming now. Tell this, I'm coming. I don't want to shout, but I'm we are here before.
Look, Nenye is Rosie, and those here. Now they suppose this house are direct, but now Jofo where the Josie SIMON EKPA. You got to go, and they annoyed. He is very annoyed that na SIMON anona ihe mazikuru from the beginning, even before Hawa. And check is him na if I Jofo lawyer and na couple with SIMON EKPA, and then they mana Hama. So whereby no one do Zerozia. SIMON Koga na Radio Biafra na broadcast on when a right the lawyer when a 100% right this is SIMON the way onye ndukuru because when SIMON know already and onye go follow this guy mana the head of DOS they are annoyed when he get you from the beginning also na na ye cooking here now or na ye this interview no ga diko when he na hide or no when ye there then mgbe ha nụziri mgbe enyeziri ha ya mgbe ahụ ka ha filiziri ngwa ka enyezi ya condition. This is condition. Ihe ahụ called DOS command and control. Ha ma what is the condition? And that condition ahụ asị na ụhịa ahụ si na amaro ụkwanye ahụ na amaro and don nwere ike ọsọsọ SIMON wonye ma that condition whereby ọ gụrụ ya na anụnụ ịga office kita enye gị akwụkwọ to sign ọ bụrụ language na amaro agụ you first of all give it to your lawyer gị gụọ ya ọ mara ma ị ga-assign ihe a ma ị gaghị assign ihe a. Because when he got signed, the thing will hook you. Mana maybe you go SIMON that letter to sign. Mana who you do that thing. Yeah, how you sign ya? Or DOS command and control. Yeah, where would I go the thing? Go say Asemba. I cannot sign this. This is the reason to me. Yeah, what happened? Because all the onion do say near sign ya. A job for lawyer Garcia. Onion do say na you should sign so and start broadcasting. Mana ogwara adima ha feel na the lawyer betrayed her by igwa SIMON EKPA here direct. Ha believe no how waka SIMON assuming no how waka gwara ya ha were ike code of mana SIMON eburu ụzọ nwee idea o nwere ihe okwu before even right from beginning na ihe ọwụla o sokwara gị ụdịrị nkata ọwụla ịkpara about Biafra ịnọrọgodo inside your room aya your daughter will bring it out.
I'm happy but when I told Biafra before that these men have worked with SIMON, but they are all together before. People are saying it's a lie. Now the mistake if I your form is that when about official assignment. That any that instruction is an official assignment. You watch the video and pray. If you want to check upon the dossier, AKA enemy at the gate. Well, like that now in DOS, they have a different department. No more people head in the department. And that official message, when you send check upon the dossier for that to follow that chain of command, that official way of IPOB, the way IPOB something. If I hear your form out of now SIMON EKPA, the friend, it's SIMON EKPA. And again, this message where they are waiting for the head of media to call the former Australia. Because all to call the former will handle the issue. Because it falls down to his department, media department. But Chika Paul, they don't say now that before then, SÍMON never have announced it. To define it about here. Another thing that I'm not happy about it. But at the end of the day, they still overlook everything and go back to the board for Chukwu, the former head of media, to act on instruction on Onye. Then the president now, that now, because I have a video. SÍMON see that now. In a sense, sign any code of conduct when they send it there. I have a video about us that now. No, or carefully and no one they send it there. This is not the issue. What I'm saying. My issue is that give him a slot. Let him broadcast. Forget about the procedure. They should have respect the order of Mazinanka. Or say, okay, give him a slot. Let him respect the procedures. He must respect the procedures. This is my take. So one day, so go on.
Thank you. Mana if I need job for SÍMON asi. If I need job for SÍMON wo ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gwara if I need job for, hey, go and tell SÍMON to be broadcasting. Go and sign that they will give you paper. Other thing. Mana you will sign. You will sign. Go and after the first message. Because Onyendu wanna look before Onyendu say SÍMON go and be broadcasting. Onyendu ahuna broadcasting SÍMON EKPA. Onyendu sucha that hard English. That strong English, SÍMON by this time, only SÍMON only seen the SÍMON 2 abali or 1 abali boot where till around 3 o'clock. Or in SÍMON, only to see if any Gaba SÍMON na oga broadcast one radio Biafra. Then Gwandi akaha na SÍMON gadani broadcast. But anyway, the reason again listen
Only that message to SÍMON. No, this is an official message in IPOB. In IPOB, we post studios in IPOB. Now listen. After Nelly of Kwebu Highway attack head of plans, where they did not succeed, Chika Paul do SÍMON put the former. They all even Chika Paul do them tender apology to come to Kano. Chukwu the former tender apology to on radio Biafra that I complete that they should forgive them. That tells you in IPOB would post procedures in IPOB. Now
command and control. Now you say command and control.
Now let me come in terms of finance first. How many person in finance department study the man ego na finance department? All you still get finance department they will ego. You go there, Madam Nenya with the procedures to take that money out. And that's why you see that now Madam Nenya is so lot of and everything be documented. That is why these people they want to go and take 14 million naira in America. Even where would take the second attack blackmailers against IPOB head of finance. When they went to take that 14 million in America, the woman in charge, Madam Chimwe, said no. They should go to IPOB head of finance to follow the procedure. And then when they contacted Kamtakano called the woman said no, they should go and follow the procedure, the protocol. And when they go and follow the protocol, the money reduced from 14 million to 7 million. And that was all the attack on India. A lot of people don't know this. So what I'm trying to tell you is that in IPOB, they will post off everything, every chain of command, in everything. Only I'm doing that message goes. If I need a job for SÍMON EKPA, no. If you give that order, that message to find a job for IPOB, Chika Paul doesn't. So the procedure will follow. And again, one money because we are still talking about not taking order from Onyendu. I have pointed this one out. It's not now put Onyendu there. You know, but the fact is that why is it that now anyone favor there or you must accept? And why is it that the medicine not dissolve for your head? Almost it's making. Why is it that not dissolve? Yes,
okay, now fine.
Why,
okay.
Why is it that not all this not you tell you bad? And again, one money. The same man, Babu again that now. It's not who see that the computer Biafra, Ujuku, Ewotele. Biafra, was leaked, Ewotele. Biafra, Martin and Can Ewotele. Or now, some other Biafra. He said it on video. He said,
oh, there with here.
he said it. So one night, I will put emotion out and face reality. So go.
Okay, good. Leanya now, Kai hapu DOS na madam dem na anya hana gini ihe na-ekwu na current. Ngwa now, get the way forward. I get with the Biafra. Kai ni le organo like this, the mbo la mazi Nnamdi Kanu jiri puta. Another way forward. You got to go. Another way forward. You will say, Mana since I only do bala inside, since I only do nonaka DOS, onwe beg anything. Nobody again. Ma wazirike ma Ojukwu ma only humonyazo. Nobody is championing Biafrans minus SÍMON EKPA. To this extent, go where government in exile. When the magic one thing, over now this government in exile, adro useful. More okay. It's not game allow office anoro in America. The question
first of all, that's why you usually join one shot. I'm not forgetting the first question. Age will get the way forward.
Yes.
Okay, now let me give answer to that. The way forward is that if you are an IPOB member, and if you are an IPOB family member, you must obey the instruction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because our leader is still bringing the instruction up today.
Get instruction on your night. Get instruction here.
You must obey IPOB commander. And again, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will go on 95%. Before I also that I'm coming back and I will bring her. Today, go and check in Nigeria, their media, even the government, even so-called MNK, former Commonwealth General Secretary, is teaching Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you on YouTube, a lot of big platform that cascade Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before, they are not talking this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today, IPO, out of the solid, they see an zone, we will regional government as of that. And I can equip to today. So only in that local 95%, only 5%. Many. Now, all that need a full SÍMON EKPA. Follow him. Obey what he was. Follow him. One day follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And IPOB, we have one IPO and one DOS. And we continue to defend and follow the instruction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No?
Okay.
So if you're asking me to tell you instruction on you are not a member, and you want me to tell you, become a member. Join your unit. Then you have to receive the message. Thank you.
Okay. Now, we all IPOB are indigenous people of Biafra. Everybody who indigenous people of Biafra. And when this Biafra now, Onyaga Simba, now Nkabo Yagaha. Fine. Let me tell you something now. If you only do around 90, almost 95% or 5%. 95%. And that 5%, oh yeah, SÍMON Berero China. And don't that 5% out the problem not down now, of which Woka Sokunoya wa Sotiri Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Abaribe say na ye meet go or consular Finland, that lady. Then what did the lady told him? The lady say, now government to government that they should go and discuss to them. Which government is that? Or Finland government to Biafran government in exile. And when the again, Senate President Sina, imagine SÍMON EKPA, Nona Finland, now command to sit at home. Now the whole eastern zones, only one name obey. to the extent government offices anaremepe, which means SΥMON EKPA is the real governor of Eastern Zone. Number 3, Musa, since 1 week, since 2 weeks, everybody is crying, SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA. This is that hell. This SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA, SΥMON EKPA. This is that hell. I am bringing hell. That hell now. Here SΥMON EKPA with now. Okay, it's now behind the bar while the head is moving on. So that 5% for on, and that 5% for on we are here now SΥMON EKPA name, of which both military ma civilian so money ho when he could go down and buy YouTube in a screw now how many just one minute in a watch more in an interview you wonder how many people against SΥMON EKPA and how many people the good now SΥMON EKPA name in when make check and balance
when you talk about IPOB, like you said, IPOB means Old Eastern Legion. Old Eastern Legion, including Ayasa, Cross River, Igwacha, Old Eastern. Now IPOB, that is in just people of Biafra. When you are born from there, you automatically Biafra by birth. They will talk about IPOB family. Everybody have your IPOB family. IPOB family. Everybody have your IPOB family. Go and verify. How many
IPOB family?
Again, listen.
No. How many IPOB family? Listen. Okay.
IPOB family is the name of the movement. Don't ask me how many. We are registered over 100 countries in the world. We are over 100 countries. IPOB family is the movement. Is the name of the movement when great. The kind of where IPOB is short, they are coming out. Then for you to be an IPOB family, means that you have to pay your dues. You have to do whatever the leader. You have to follow the chain of command, and most of that you have to obey the IPOB code of conduct. That is IPOB family for you members. Everybody.
Go need IPOB family kita. Oh no, behind the bar.
Then on your Mazinam
the Kalo.
We see to IPOB family.
Go on kwenye anaka.
Oya kwenye anaka, mwaba kwenye anaka.
Kenye mazi chike dozem na chena sanguru hao.
Listen, when I told you in my program, I said, there's no video, there's no clip, there's no. Let everyone have challenge anybody. Let everyone bring that anything in my absence. Chika Poli is the one. There's no clip. All this is propaganda, lies, blackmail. There's no way in my absence. Chika Poli is in control. Even the media works. Give it up.
That na chike dozem that you guys should do whatever he said because no young will the leader.
Okay, listen. I'm going to say that we have one IPOB and one DOS.
Of which chike dozem is the head.
Don't lie again. Somebody. Can't that now. We have one IPOB and one DOS. And you must obey instruction of DOS. You must obey instruction of DOS. There's no way you can see that now. In absence of master and is in charge. Even Chikapoli doesn't himself say that. Onyendu will lead us. Okay, wait, hold on. I want you to hear from Chikapoli now.
You can hear him, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Go ahead.
Okay, and I was saying that I thank sister that just spoke, especially again because at the last conclusion of her statement, she said it all because she said I'm the second in command. I'm the second in command. The first in command is there. I cannot honestly be expected to take over the work of the first command. The first command is reachable. He is still in charge. And that is what I have been trying to let our people know. That is also what the enemy wants us to prove. They want us to isolate our leader. Isolate him in the sense that believing that he's not in control. Oyendu is in control, and that is what we must push across. I am second in command. When there are issues that I can deal with immediately and deal with as second in command that does not need the input of Oyendu, I deal with them, because I know he has taught me how to deal with those issues. But if there are so weighty issues that we need the first in command to make an input, I will act according to his instructions. And as I'm speaking to you, Oyendu is seized of the allegations about his head of finance. I know the instructions as he told me to carry out.
When I said this, I said this. When they didn't want to go this lies and propaganda from these people is from pit of hell. There's no place when you do bad, you are absent. There's no place.
He is the second in command, whereby Onyen do not know. And now Onyen don't know, yeah, and he is the command.
Listen,
he is the command.
Listen. This video can check a product giving hope now. This you play now. You never take a product. This is how you prove again. Onyen
do the head, but you are the second in command.
Yeah.
Oh, I am the second in command. Name an issue. That maybe Yawa, that control ya, Monyen to Ganoya, or issue nile. And now Onyen Danoya. Oh, you are the commander now.
Listen, Genty, I want you to listen to this video. Let me break it again. If I break it again, he makes a statement again, we'll move on. We'll talk about another thing. That is me.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear him, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, and I was saying that I thank our sister that just spoke, especially again because at the last conclusion of her statement, she said it all. She said it all because she said, I'm the second in command. I'm the second in command. The first in command is there. I cannot honestly be expected to take over the work of the first command. The first command is reachable. He is still in charge, and that is.
Okay, I got it. In now, I am the second in command. The first command is there. It's reachable. I cannot take the work of first command. Even a member now.
Listen, another dragi DOSO. Even when Jibata here, Maka Prime Minister SÍMON EKPA.
No, excuse me. No.
He will give way forward. No. Listen, no. They want Jibata here because it could be about SÍMON EKPA. So let me clarify it. Then it's now here na any law they on Finland by to vote Guinea and to vote and the referendum vote aka ya and donaga owu ni gere Ukraine summit agara amaminu ihe that exactly what SÍMON EKPA is doing. Assuming why Nigerian government is help up that news. Even as platform you have that news ka atokasiaya. We only knew what happened there through platform Prime Minister SÍMON EKPA and other people like Vam, Sonia Barawa, and the 247 then. And he happened there exactly what SÍMON EKPA is doing. Self-defense.
No,
you with a right to defend yourself. You with a right to defend yourself from any enemy attack. And exactly all that dimension now. Onyen do say now this guy is going to. And look, let me tell you one thing. On a game.
Sometimes listen. In law, in life, self-defense is first law as a human being. Self-defense first everywhere in the world. Once you were a human being on this earth, self-defense, no matter what is self-defense, and much your leader will do, you defend there yourself. It's a law. Even in UN Charter, it's a law. I am not disputing that. Now, you talk about it a referendum. Now, I want you to mention, tell me one country on this planet, not somewhere, to 12 votes. They create there a country in other land. Give me a country that cast a vote in a foreign land. They created a country in their own land.
Owana have to vote on a Biafra land. Mbaka we na Nigeria now. Owana have to vote on Nigeria. Are you not seeing people their vote?
They listen one don't contradict yourself. According to your prime minister, all balloon understand that now November who you made the land only one balloon. About balloon and we're talking about November. Whatever you guys are doing in Biafra land is not you guys, and it doesn't count. There's no evidence that I can talk about one. Well, for me, anyone to about what they do. I'm actually going now. One country on this earth. Here no somewhere else, no foreign land. When 12 votes to create a country in their own land. Mention one for me, please. People are listening to us.
Na Nigeria ka na to vote. Mana listen, onye ona na ebo na ka onye ona na ebo na to vote ya. Onye ona na ebo no na to vote ya. Vote wa to chanya achọpụta ya ọnụ.
Okay.
Listen, enweghị only ndị nọ na Nigeria there got to vote. Hence you are a Biafran. Hence you want to leave that. Hence you want to belong to the self-referendum. Hence in the not this referendum onye ndu na influences of which ọbụrụkwa na ha si okay make we do the referendum make we see. Ọkwa like this. Enweghị onye ndu gasị onye niile ngwa kpatawa na Nigeria. Ọkwa ebe ole nọ. Ka a ga-atụkwa this situation. Ọ na-vote wa tụcha account ọ.
Maazị FREEMAN, I think the first time you began, I told you that now. When you have control in your territory, that's big volume and everything and I said to you then that now, SÍMON claim that now, not you are the charge, not the control in the land. But today, Nazi, okay, no about all state, about it all state.
From where? From the Nigeria or yeah?
Yes, from the Nigeria, yes. About it.
And why here the Olu state? Nigeria EKPA the Olu state.
Okay, but you know about the news about the Olu state.
Why the news you put out? Because SÍMON never where EKPA to go all these states.
Let me say something about the news about Olu state.
They said it because now because government in exile EKPA to go to
about the news, yes or no?
Hana see ha say na enwe na na think iwete ndị a mee Olu state.
Okay now. And all that nice never ask. All at the end of the day, that now that all these states now pass the bill in the House of Rep and state that pass and everything. And then all these states. Okay, I am not one here. I made the election with governor. Okay, huh?
Onye ga-emekwa no? Get to the vote.
I'm talking about this all this
you must sometimes enwere ụdịrị okwu na-ekwu enwere ndị na-eme hapụta na-ekwu kwa mụrụzi ma ọkwa amakwa ma ọ chọziri dis Biafra ka ọ bụ nọ na anyị na-ekwu Biafra unu chọrọ ka anyị nwee Biafra ka ọ bụ na-achọghị ka anyị nwee Biafra.
No, you have a point. No. Program
na napta owu ka Biafra nwere onwe ya ka owu no I just know no chọrọ ka anyị nwee Biafra ka na-achọghị ka anyị nwee Biafra. This is the question.
Maazị FREEMAN, don't run away from the question.
I'm not running away because the one hotel Nigeria what I say to that because the government
give me chance. Guarantee. SÍMON has said all the control of Biafra land. We create about 50-something progress in Biafra land. On that one, not the charge. On a great people not. Now that place was not in charge today. The Nigerian government can now actually create a Olu state, and that Olu state will go from Imo State, Abia State, and Anambra State. Now you know that now. All of that in past here through the House of Rep and Senator and the create a presidency mayor okay. And why you governor today? Yes or no?
I got here because I got here.
Okay, only you stop here.
I got here because I got come. Man, I'm not changing when they listen. Forget laugh. Uno choro kai we Biafra kuno choro kai no inside Nigeria na bari ya na bari.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
how can we get this Biafra?
Now
Let's
let's
wait on the Biafra here. Can you give me? Can you tell us the way forward? In how you can make? In how you can make? I know Biafra because all you are going to general insight.
Okay, now let's come to this question again because probably with it. What you had to go here? You can equally, no. If I have this in the all the time, and you have anytime to my program, Biafra national anthem. Oh yeah, and all I have they need me. I take all my program. When I start my full program, I must play Biafra national anthem.
How do I watch here?
And again, anytime I know my full program, I have any Biafra, and what I do is showing you my commitment in Biafra struggle. Now, all the people like me, I talk Biafra. All the days, time, this app, I get Google today. I'm a Google every month. Other people are asking them to buy it for them. People need Diego now. It's not an app. Like forget about the money. Oh, some people in America want some this way. They want to pay for it. So no. You app. I'm like, oh, maybe they're watching it now. But now, I pick up my time. Only when I make protest, I go to protest, I fight. Oh, that guy Belgium. I fight to finish to Belgium. My son. Okay, no Austria. I am going to Vienna on protest. Even my wife didn't protest. All those things. And also, I'm a member of EKPA. In the last night, I'm not able to be able to because we are saying that somebody is doing something that I don't believe.
Then, can you just support to see Nigeria, EK state inside Biafra while I not sure with this Biafra?
Listen, one money. I am not supporting Nigeria in anything. But the fact is that I am pointing out things in the facts. That now somebody, now man in a foreign land, but not create a state. Now somebody in a foreign land, but not in control, in a place not in control.
Assuming
I'm coming. In a place, Nigeria government tell them all place. Even Mazen Nankano have not done that because Mazen Nankano not about reality. Yama in or UK, it's not going to go there. And why Nigeria president is in control? And somebody has to go there in Finland, create a country. I'm going to go there, create a Biafra bank. Somebody has to go to Finland, make it to currency. Then you come need them at all they know. Man, on them money. Come on.
Mana witness ihe niile ị na-ekwu ihe assuming no onye ndu na-eme all these things SΥMON Ekpa na-eme ke ihe ga-ekwu ke ihe nwere ime
onye ndu na-eme
because formula niile SΥMON Ekpa na-eme exactly ihe onye ndu si ya mere. Okay, assuming no onye ndu n'onwe ya London name all these things because only do no sit at home everything now work all on a lot of going to be at home only do no buy it at home people the name here
one of these people that it's among all people now no if this is assuming no only do all these things
why do you so assuming because only do no behind the bar and ihe niile SΥMON Ekpa na-eme ihe onye ndu gwara ya mee
there was a time I always ask SΥMON Ekpa he knows that the season to reduce go by listening here here's some people who create some movement and to create this movement the government in exile and again and he said that he takes responsibility
because DOS has a function now I need organization
one again I am not talking about DOS I'm talking about
that's why it's when government in exile
one at least again also IPOB family and the SΥMON Ekpa movement came not about their first call. Also two of them. Also two of them.
Also two of them now. Even the front line of Biafran government in exile. That is the only people now struggle for this. Okay, my brother.
Okay. Movement here.
onye nwe nna enwere ụdịrị akụkọ na-adị na-akọ sometimes
Biafra Bakassi, this boy not possible. Listen, let me tell you one man.
onye nwere na-akpọ PLA ha niile nọ under Biafra
one against it. A lot of people with their movement. A lot of people with movement natural discussion of Biafra. A lot of people with their own movement. Zionists. So you don't tell me because you're not a member, or don't tell me because you're not that I want to be relevant or I want to be small. There are still an organization. Natural this about Biafra legislation. Okay, Dr. Jose K. Biafra end of council something like that. So what I'm trying to say that now, there are different people natural about this Biafra failure. But even that are two arrowhead, people who they go about it. Now, the two people
under government in exile. You know idea. IPOB needed under SÍMON now because all the whole IPOB needed to request SÍMON. Not just few people we here cannot know who here in now. IPOB needed one day. He has needed now. I need a fundraising.
Freeman, from this your point. One other point also. So I'm going to people are listening. So one other point also is
yes, the point of me because government in exile would the only government now one go for this wine, and of which both home and abroad now they follow of which as I said before, if I get online or whatever, or if on street name interview now, the only thing how Biafran government in exile, and everybody they happy now here and everybody it's only the politicians. One is also the politicians and the only people make it against this government in exile. Despite the politicians and the few people when I issue like this, mama, everybody minus Biafran government in exile, he create BLA. Well. Manila since BLA waradi, since BLA wara no, and then when since BLA wara no, the things will come more down, the killings will come more down. Only thing know that now the government, I mean the politicians in the buy are like the people because they know what they are and they just look at Wike. After much, how can we see in the port in we can give us name here? Or when we get in the cook, no piano, in case na Ibo Nama, and 500 Nama Bogi and 500. Where is he now? One mistake on your name. The only mistake after that 4 years or 8 years you will not see them again, you will not hear them again. Want to take or anything again. Even my eyes go do president in another voice again. In another voice again. Even he's a governor, more he's a president, more weak anything. You can't hear them again. It's only the and here we were now 4 years, 8 years. How powerful? You will not hear them again, and people will still suffering. But Prime Minister and the government in exile, one day not strong. And they right from the beginning. Mazinam Dekalo, they are against the politicians, what they are doing. That's why exactly the government in exile, they were against what the politicians are doing, the way they are conducting. What? How do you suppose? But after 8 years, after 8 years, you will know governor Imo State. After 4 years now, 8 years, you will not hear him again. You cannot have voice here. Pam, just like if I know them, just like Governor Anambra Soludo. Before Soludo made a king of na Biafra something. It's like being a feed. You are feeding and lion at the time will grow, so that they will take care. They're not banning no chichi now. Banize oku. Ona ze kuta anything. Ngwale na P2B. Ngwale na P2B. Upon everything. P2B that go through. Ngwale make campaign no gara kano. What did that your name? So this is one problem. I in the Yoruba they different. Hana the confidence. Now go their national item. All of them. Mananke buy unless source of guma. And then go on a platform here. Labo. Equal that equal anything. Stand strong about Biafra. Be strong. No matter na hani shiki. Man ha chokwi meku no na look. I know for ha. Now my brother, I got to see this nyanga. Here one thing nebu, especially in Dibo. This is one thing nebu in Dibo. You got to step,
Bien, one that I mute you, Charlie, and still Charlie. Man, still Charlie now. Even on my platform, I give all the time. Still Charlie. You see the time you video, not only any broadcast you're gonna hear, go here because of time, and but I want people to say their mind. This is me. But that's what Charlie, no let people continue. Because you won't say your mind. So I will not stop people to ask to stop. You have to stop. All those things in the book now, over 5 minutes in the book now. It's out of our point. If I debate, you're talking about Nigeria issue. If you want to talk about Nigeria issue, until you get there now. If you're talking about the man in Finland, that's about Nigeria issue. Now, for years, SΥMON now, they will make the holding of Mazi Nankan to be so much expensive to the Nigerian government. That will be
Mazi is expensive to them. Because he has to write down within half of
yes or no. Optago? The answer is no. Now, only the Mazi Nandi can advance that we have got 95%. Go 5% for. And that 5% that we are not now. All that here, we're going to nominate political advisor. This is that 5% they are working now. That is why all Nigeria President Tinubu, former MNK, this is why they're talking about regional government. So when they go about ways of they say your own different ways of the law. So what I'm saying is that going there, man, that's all. Give them what I need for that law. It's not your command, but who was and black fans, man, the man, the mountain, and everything the media, even the Senate on state floor, on state president, even the house of first staff, doing about SΥMON. The number one man, the president, the number one man, let them say no. We will not have about the member then that person.
Okay, sorry, from the beginning, my SΥMON release Onyendu or hands there up. Release Onyendu Yawa Ukusinya name. More than release Onyendu, no, they made the kidnapping of Onyendu useless to them, and though they may be costly. And that is where we are, and that is what is happening. But why not release that man? Let's see if there will be peace. Let us see if SΥMON will stop what he's doing. The reason why SΥMON because no look at his leader. And this guy is asking, release my leader. Let me forget what we are doing. But the leader, he said it many times. And the people are saying that he could to release the leader. Even if you talk about releasing Mazi Nnamdi, they don't want to hear that. Then can hit your
also SΥMON release also saying I call the attention to release
also putara na fight the government. Also yeah.
So saying I call the release of Mazi Nnamdi
with his own name also yeah.
So yeah. Okay, click on them.
Fine. By email self-referendum, by creating BLA by stop isi ha wepụsịanụ all the checking point unu tinyere na-egbusi ndị mmadụ. And ige ntị ị ga-anụ ihe Gumi kwuru. Gumi say that na he will stop Biafran nonsense with SＩMON Ekpa. Or say ngwa bịa n'ala Igbo, come bịa stop ya ka ifụ. But release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, my leader, then I will stop whatever is happening. Ngwa ha try nwanne gwanụ ha na ka ha release onye ndu ka anyị marakwa ma ihe ọ ga-akwụsị. So SIMON Ekpa hapụ na ụlọ nke ọ na-eme referendum, fine. I don't eme referendum.
Okay, listen. The point here, I think I'm about 8 points. By referendum by BLA, right? And by what again? By SIMON, okay?
Now, but it's all the 8.
No, it's not. But even now, it's not being now. It's the one name, SIMON Ekpa name. They go there, that's what we talk by referendum by BLA. By Sitasu, but maybe nobody get
nobody naram dia kamfo. O si ha release onye ndu ka akwụsị ha na-eme. Ngwa release onye ndu na akwụsị because no SIMON Ekpa ya nwa ozi nsogbu anyị nwere now. Ya nwa nsogbu ha nwa.
It's not actually say go source here na call the freedom of mass na can say it's not source here by what is doing. No happen the land by BLK and by SITASO. Now, let's pull the land of America about the out. Second, about the Biafra Liberation Army. Chile, when they claim our borders out of me, Nigeria government, now let me ask you. Out of that 5 soldiers, Ebu Naba, Madonna Wundi Budia.
Kendi Buruha?
No, I don't want to ask people there. Out of that 5 no, answer my question first. Out of that 5 soldiers.
No, because I'm not the Buruha. I want the Buruha.
Okay, out of that 5 person, Madonna Wundi Budia. Okay. Let me tell you. 3 people wouldn't be night. Not because maybe that's why we to go there again. All those killings should stop. All those fighting should stop. That now, never harm to cause something and those people out of their heavy, even Nigeria government will lie. People in a head bridge, people in a ice, people in MNK. Therefore, war. You don't suppose people got their note. Then another person one that way. I got to write you. It's simple, no. Then that in them, and you know,
that mistake couldn't end. You guys, no. Tell one where you look to.
One day, my platform, where I said stop, you stop. You say, don't tell me, stop. Don't tell me something. You say, stop, you stop. I'm talking. So, those people live on you. Never happen. Never ever. I poor, they wouldn't be mad. All the one day, okay, me to level now. But okay, me to level. And I say that, no, it's not the way. Only to say, no, that is not the way. Only to say that not your Biafran to be at peace. You see, no. Then we're asking you, since you do in that area, that armed struggle, it's yes, literally meant. You go to literally that armed struggle. Or dissolve go, the problem with the at hand. The answer is no. Okay, dissolve go the problem at hand. Because the armed struggle, or the clear. Only the man can actually. So in that it's okay. It's up to you. So Mazi, as a FREEMAN, you can say your mind and give your take home points. I have to go.
Yeah, and me too. Thank you for this nice conversation. I knew go ahead, you gotta go. And my like sometimes put on a platform or and I'm like so because on the bike I now. Ihe we hendi Yoruba ata ayi mwa onwere okwu ndị Yoruba na-ekwu nweghị ike ịnụ oyibo niile ya ha ga-eji asụsụ be ha ndị be ha na-aba ha na ntị. That's why ile anyị ga-agba ihe niile m na-ekwu ma ọ na ama m Igbo asụ mana m like because on the bike ka m na-agwa ihe anyị ga-akwụsị iwu unu na-egbu onwe unu onwere onwe anyị na-egbu ndị BLA nọ ihe ahụ self ya that self defense a ndị UN na-ekwu okwu ya ngwa legodu ndị amị a ha chọ na-abịa baa mgbe ha na-agba ọsọ ọ bụrụ na ị na-anụ Awụsa ka a na-asụrụ ha the man na-asụrụ ha sị ha na unu agbazili ọsọ were nụ nwayọ amami na Awụsa etoro m na Awụsa amụrụ m n'ugwu ebe a ka anyị toro ọfụma onwe ihe asụ na Awụsa m na-amahụ Awụsa ka ọ na-asụrụ ha ihe ọ na-asụ ha awụ unu agbazili ọsọ were nụ nwayọ unu agbazili ebe ha na-agba gịnị ka anyị ga onweghị ofu mkpụrụ onye be anyị nọ dee mana look one thing unu ga-ekwuwo anyị na-adị na-egbu onwe unu na anyị na-adị na-egbu onwe anyị no ile anyị ga-ama ma mgbe Asari Dokubo kpọtagodiri ndị mmadụ ka isi filie na mma bịa na-egbu gị ọnda gịnị ma oke ka isi filie na ị ga-abịa na-egbu m while anyị na-achọ nwere onwe anyị ndị awụ gekwe ntị on Sunday a na-eme sala na ọ na Zamfara Imamadu legburu de o nwere one man nọ 92 years ha pere ya gwogwo o so na mmadụ 6 ahụ ha gburu ndị ọzọ emerechachara ha ahụ lee anya m agwa gị onye ndu siri anyị ọkwa ndị a na ha na-abịa onye ndu siri anyị na ha ga-abịa ha ga-egbu anyị ga-egbu ha mana emesịa anyị ga-enwere onwe anyị ọbịbịa ahụ ihe ha na-abịa and ihe Prime Minister SΥMON na-eme ewu iji ihe ndị BLA na-eme ewu ndị ahụ bịa gị igbu anyị iyiri efe amị bịa n'igbu anyị ha gbuo gị nke a gbasa gị and otelu onye ndu tiwa
Biafra shall come. At the end of the day, Biafra shall come. It doesn't matter. Biafra shall come. They go for coming. They will yeah.
Hey, now this one that they call no retreat, no surrender. As I said before, we agree to disagree. It not make us enemy. Mazina, the kind of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and a very lovely person, lovely leader. When he was speaking yesterday, he talked about Africa. He never referred to Biafra. So why you go hate your brother? Why you go hate your sister? Africa, we are on one. If you listen to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, listen to the message. Abba, he is not just fighting for Biafra alone, but he is fighting to liberate as many people that are in total darkness. So please share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst. I give all the update back to back. Thank you and bye bye.